elevate the tides, babe. There's no way I could fall when I'm in this state of mind, baby. There's no name but your name I would call. And if you feel like I do.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I just want to do a quick wig unboxing video with you guys. This is probably going to be a 3-part video in one. It's going to be me unboxing, me customizing, and then me installing and giving a review once it's installed. So I just did this today. This hair is from ISEE Hair. It's their Mongolian Kinky curly wig. I can't remember the deets. Let me see if the deets are in here or anything like that. So this is what we have. Shipping. So when I ordered it, the lady told me that they had to, I'll show you guys the box, that they had to make it, because I guess I ordered a lint that people don't normally order. So they had to make it. That took like 3 days, and then once it shipped, it actually got here pretty fast. I'll say about 3 or 4 days it took. So all in total, I probably waited about a little over a week. And then there were some delays with, with the coronavirus, but I think overall the shipping was not terrible. The seller kept in contact with me the whole time, so that was good. This is, so I know for sure it's 18 inches. Okay, now I'm starting to remember. So here's the wig. Here's the box. We've got some decent looking lashes in here and a little information card. It's really cute. But like I said, here's the wig. It is 18 inches and it is the Mongolian Kinky curly lace front wig. I'm gonna take it out. So here it is. Take the netting off. So let's see, the lace is looking like it's the transparent white looking lace, which I'm happy with because I have the I have lace tint, so that's fine. This is the 13x6 parting, so nice deep parting space. So, it's kind of shallow on the sides, but that's okay. I don't mind that. But yeah, this is it. So I just got one piece of hair there. Couple strands there. I'm not really worried about the shedding. It is curly hair, so I don't really mind that. I really want to see the texture once I actually get it wet and actually get the curls how they're supposed to be, because it's not going to stay like this. So it is pre-plucked. The plucking looks decent. I am going to bleach the knots. I'm actually going to put it on my head right now just to see if it'll fit. I've had problems in the past with wigs being too small for my head. There's no weird smell. It's more like a wash shampoo kind of smell, but like a mild shampoo, so it's like mild smell. So I'm just gonna plop this on real quick. Once there is 4 combs in here, I am gonna take the 3 combs in the top off because I don't like those snagging on my braids. But I'm just gonna pop this on just to see if it fits on my head. So it will do. It's like, ooh, I've got it way too far forward. Yeah, it will do. I'm definitely gonna need to customize this hairline. There's no dips or anything in this hairline, not really. But yeah, it looks like it'll fit, so that is good. Ow, see the thing snag in my head. Anyway, so yeah, I will come back and have videos and clips of me customizing and stuff like that. Not really in depth because I'm not a professional, but yeah, the density is good. This is 150 density, and for curly hair, I know this is gonna get bigger once I do everything to it, but it's really soft feeling. The color is nice. It's an off black color. Yeah, overall it looks very nice. So you guys will be seeing this wig again, and I'll give you more input on it. As you see, it's already getting fluffy as I run my fingers through it. So that is very nice. And I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so starting out with the customization, I want this wig to be jet black, so I'm going to watercolor it using jet black adore hair color. This is a quick and easy process, so just watch it and yeah. So I'm using all Ericka J products for this video, so I tried to follow her video for using her products to the T, like as much as I possibly could. I hope I did good. Like I wanted to watch the video as I did it, but I didn't have time to do all that. So hopefully this comes out how I want it to be. I think I followed her directions to a T. The only thing I didn't have was 91% alcohol. I had to use 70, and I used witch hazel. And then honestly guys, I'm doing this voiceover like a couple days after this install, and I will say that my install did not last, but I think that's something I messed up on. I'm not sure where. I'm not sure if it's needing the 91% alcohol, or maybe using the bed head or something, but something went wrong, because honestly I think 24 to 48 hours after I did this install, my lace was lifting, and it ended up just coming straight off, like kind of easy. I didn't even use any products to remove it. So I will be doing this again, and I'll figure out what I did wrong. I'm gonna watch her video again, and I will do this again. But continue watching, and I'll come in periodically to let you guys know what's going on. So right here, I'm using the Ruby Kisses number 15. I think this might honestly be, I mean, I know Ericka J uses makeup to do her installs, but something about makeup and using adhesives just doesn't, I feel like it just doesn't sit right with me. I just don't think it holds up when it comes to your adhesive and your install lasting. So right here, as far as actually applying the adhesive, I think I could have did smaller, or use less product when doing the layers, because it does dry fast, but I think I used too much as far as, like I could have spaced out my dots more, because like you see, I had to keep smoothing out, and like I know that it dries fast, because when I did the first layer on the bald cap, it dried really fast. But here, I think I just used a little too much product. I could have spaced out my dots and stuff like that. But, you know, you live and you learn. So it was right here that I noticed that one side of my frontal was pulled forward, more forward on the other side. So that's what I'm cutting right now to even it out. And then off camera, I did a bunch of tweezing, you guys. Like, I thought I had tweezed this really good, but no, I did not. And I also think I might have used the wrong mousse. I honestly want to buy her mousse to use with this, just because like I feel like you should just use all the products that come with something if you want the perfect result. But I used the ISEE mousse. It doesn't have any alcohol in it, so I thought it'd be fine. So yeah. Y'all, it's gonna take me a minute to realize it, but this side part was not it. This length of hair is just not side part worthy. Like I do the whole flat ironing, getting it flat and everything before I'm like, no, this is not it. This is not the move at all. And I switch it to a middle part. I actually liked how it looked when I took that cap off. Like it looks so flat, and I liked the lace really matched my scalp pretty good in my opinion. I definitely need to watch some more baby hair tutorials because no, it was too much. Like I don't even like this much baby hair, but you know, it was go big or go home. I just did it, you know. I mean, it looked fine in the end, but I don't know, baby hairs, I really just am not a fan. Like I'd rather not have them. I mean, they look decent. Right here they don't look decent, but once it dries and everything and I get the middle part, most of them are covered, so you know that kind of helps. But yeah, definitely need to watch some more tutorials. I'm not sure why I wasn't centered on the camera right here, but yeah, honestly, I should have went in and tweezed the part, but I was really just lazy, so I just ended up putting foundation on it. And plus, I really don't want to have to do too much plucking to any of my wigs just because I want them to last longer. So as little amount of pluckings I can possibly do, and then over time, you know, frontals kind of, you know, thin themselves out. So the older it gets, the better it'll look. In the beginning, it'll look a little thick, but it gets better over time, from what I hear. This diffuser attachment I got from Sally's years and years and years ago. It's not the best, but it works. I mean, I could just let this hair air dry. It air dries really nicely. But yeah. This is the hair about 50% dry, and it gets 100% dry in the next clip where I am actually talking. So bye. Okay, Okay guys, so this is day 2 with this hair, and I finished like customizing and everything. I did baby hairs. Y'all, I'm not the best at this, but I did what I could. You know, I'm a beginner. This kind of got messed up. I haven't had a chance to fix it, but all I did, honestly guys, hands down, before anything, best hair I've ever had. Best hair I've ever had. So I've ordered over the last month or so about 7 different hairs from about 7 different vendors, and this, hands down, this lace, it stretches, it's transparent, it's nice and thin, and this is the best my insoles have ever looked. So there's that. The hair. So curly hair, everybody thinks curly hair is so low maintenance, but I've never had low maintenance curly hair until now. This hair, you guys, nothing, no product, no nothing. Literally just water. And it's so like, I don't even know how to describe it. Like, I don't want to run my fingers through it because I want to make it bigger than what it is right now, but literally I can run my fingers through this, it won't tingle, it won't mat, it won't nothing. I won't get that tingly matted thing in the back or anything. Like, this hair is really life. Okay, literally, all I did was sleep in a bonnet last night, took it out, and it still kind of looked like this, but it was kind of pressed down, so I just re-wet the whole thing, let it air dry, and this is the result. Like, I love this hair. I'm thinking about rebuying it because you guys noticed in the video I had overplucked right here. I was able to cover it, but I had overplucked, or not overplucked, I had washed it. I've washed this hair twice because I dyed it, which you guys seen in the video, and then I tried to install it using bedhead, and that didn't go so well, so I had to remove the bedhead from the lace. And my second time washing it, I probably washed it too hard, which balded that spot right there. So I'm always thinking about buying this hair again in a longer length, just so I can have it at this nice length and then have a longer one, because I love this hair. Like, hands down, love it. Like, that's my review, honestly. Trying to think. I really don't have any cons. I don't have any cons. This hair is really nice, great price. Like, sis, I don't even know. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something. Oh, I'm sorry, we did not talk about the Ericka J. Okay, so the Ericka J products. One thing I do want to say is the glue itself holds very well. Like, as soon as I placed the lace down into the glue, it was down. She was down. She wasn't going anywhere. So I was kind of mad at myself. You guys noticed in the video, I had brought it too far forward. Many YouTubers say put your lace above the glue so that you don't have to try to remove glue later, which I've done that before, and trying to remove the glue, damn near impossible. So I did move it forward, but I moved it too far forward, so I had a whole bunch of excess lace I had to go back in and redo, what you guys saw throughout the video. So that's on me. But like I said, once it's down, once you put the lace into the glue, it is down. Like, let me see, this is not going anywhere. She is down. And then one thing I did on my part was I used the Isoplus foam to do my baby hairs, and I did it a little too hard just right here, so it did lift, but after I wrapped it and had it down last night, there's no issue there. So I will probably do a later video, probably not with this hair, probably with another hair, the water wetting the lace and everything to see, because it's supposed to be waterproof. So I'll probably do that in a later video with some different hair. But overall, I'm happy with the product. My only thing is, you guys saw me spray, because I had dripped some glue down on my face. You guys saw me spray her laid off adhesive remover. I sprayed that to get that off, and you guys, I will say that has a very strong smell. So if you weren't prepared, because I wasn't prepared, as you guys saw in the video, I was not prepared for that. It does have a really, really strong smell, but it did get the glue off, so it does what it's supposed to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.